Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm the owner of a company called Jupply, and we specialize in helping people with their Google ad suspensions. And today I'm going to be talking about the suspension that comes under unacceptable business practices. So you can see we have an account here that's been suspended for unacceptable business practices. So the first thing you're going to do is click on search and you're going to type in the word policy. And you're going to look for policy issues. And what you're looking for is any issues in this section. In this case, we don't have any. You may want to click on appeal history to see if there's been any issues in the past in the account. And in this case, there has been a few issues in the past. We've had some issues to do with a compromised site, but we fixed those issues. So I'm not too sure why they're saying failed here. So definitely check the policy issues and the appeal history. Okay, so in order to do an appeal, you should have this button here that says, if you don't see that, you can go to contact us, which is here, and then you should have this. Now it tells you here what the reasons for unacceptable business practices are, which is phishing, public figure impersonation, and other unacceptable business practices. Okay, the issue with this violation is that it's an immediate suspension. I'm going to drink some British tea here. Tastes great. The issue with this violation is that it will suspend it straight away. And that's the problem. You're not going to get a warning. They're going to suspend it straight away. So let's do an appeal. You're basically going to put your information in here, okay? You're going to put the customer ID number here, okay, which is 223483, and then you continue. The website address, keywords, the address where your billing is, single, unless you own an MCC. Are you advertising your own business? Yes, okay. Who pays for the account, the credit card, you pay by credit card, when you last made a payment, and then a description of your business. Let's go ahead and tell Google what we do for a business. They really need to know that, okay? Who owns the domain names, email is good, and a good phone number, and what's causing the issue. When you attach documents, you want to attach something like a copy of your company registration, a copy of your EIN if you're based in the US, or your tax registration. So yeah, make sure you upload good company documents. Now when you submit the appeal, it's going to take about 3 to 5 business days to get a response. If you get a response saying that your account was and still is in violation, that's normal, unfortunately. 7 times out of 10, you're going to get that response. It's probably because you haven't addressed the issues that's causing the suspension. So if you need help with that, reach out to us. This is our website address, which is jupply.com. So JUPPLEE.com. I'm based in the US. Okay, my fees are very reasonable. My phone number is 480-455-9041. It's the 18th of October right now. My prices do change. So go to work with us, our packages, and then you can see how much I charge to help you, to fix the issue. So unacceptable business practices, I charge $2,800. It is time consuming, guys, and this is why we charge what we charge. Alright, I wish you well with your appeal.